Today we are exploring the rich flavors of the Gulf region with the classic dish Prawns Kabsa. Let's move right into the ingredients and steps. Ingredients: 1 kg prawns, 1 kg rice, chilli powder, salt, turmeric, garam masala, pepper powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri chilli powder, whole garam masala, onions, ginger garlic paste, tomatoes, lemon, curd, chicken stock and tomato paste. First, in a bowl, wash and soak the rice. Take cleaned prawns and marinate them with a blend of spices. 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon each of pepper powder and Kashmiri chilli powder, half teaspoon each of chilli powder and garam masala, 2 teaspoons of freshly crushed ginger garlic paste, juice of half a lemon. Mix well and let it rest for half an hour. Next, heat a large pot with 5 tablespoons of oil. Add the marinated prawns and shallow fry them on both sides until golden brown. Set them aside while we work on the base of our dish. In the same pot, pour another 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 large chopped onions and 3 green chillies, sauteing until golden brown. Then add ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell disappears. Sprinkle in the spice powders. 1 teaspoon each of chilli powder and salt, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, half teaspoon each of turmeric, pepper powder and garam masala, 2 dry lemons. Saute for a minute. Add 1 large chopped tomato. Give it a mix. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix well and then add 1 cup of curd, ensuring there are no lumps. Mix everything thoroughly. Remember, for every cup of rice, we will need double the amount of water. Once the water is in the pot, bring it to a boil. Add 2 cubes of chicken stock and adjust the salt to taste. It takes about 15 minutes for the water to come to a boil. Drain the water from the soaked rice and add the rice to the pot. Cover the lid and cook on a high to medium flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, give it a mix, cover and cook on low flame for 15 minutes until the rice is almost cooked. Finally, add the prawns gently, spreading them evenly on the rice. Cover again and cook for 5 minutes on a low flame. Turn off the flame and let it set for 10 minutes before serving. Enjoy recreating the recipe and don't forget to let me know in the comments how it turns out. Thanks for watching and as always, happy cooking!